Hello there, good day to you. You're probably wondering what this is. I'll go ahead and tell you. Squirrels, they love to encroach upon all and any of my saplings. So what they'll do is they'll dig under the sapling thinking that there's a nut for them to get to. And technically there is, but the only way to protect the saplings is to build these frames and then put the screen on the outside. So just a cheap, quick way of protecting my saplings. This actually is, let's move this out of the way, the successful germination of our first ever jackfruit. We obtained the seeds from Hawaii, so they traveled in a package all the way from Hawaii and arrived here and germinated. So that tells you about the resilience of the jackfruit seed. It can handle some travel. Anyhow, I just wanted to document this first little sapling. And hopefully I can keep this thing alive through the winter. If I can do that, then I think there's a strong chance that this is going to be a jackfruit in Zone 9B, Florida success story. Thanks for watching.